Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you need to adjust delivery times. I will basically give you the fastest way. If you already created a delivery profile in Etsy on Etsy, you can edit it anytime by going through the shop manager to access all of them information. As for today, I'm gonna go to Etsy.com, but for you guys, you can use the app. If you have Android, iOS, it's totally fine to use the app. Then, okay, for example, I'm just on Etsy.com. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, open the website, tap on the link, come here to this login screen, make sure you log into your account, then go and access Shop Manager from here. Then look for settings, select the shipping settings, then find the delivery profile you want and tap on edit. Update your processing time, shipping, basically shipping details or even the shipping companies or any delivery estimates. Then click on save. Changes apply to every listing using that profile. As for like a bonus tips, increase processing time during really busy seasons. For example, there is an event and you will know that people are basically ordering things, so that's what we call a busy season. Keep delivery estimates realistic. I mean, if you are too far, just give it some time. And also review profiles monthly to avoid any updated settings. And that's the whole idea here. So, whatever you want, whatever setting you want to access, just go through the shop manager and make sure you are logged in into your correct account. So, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.